Day one. This is how I have my hair when I go to bed at night, in a ponytail. So I'm gonna show you what I do in order to revive it. So first I'm taking this out and let it fall the way I want it. So the shrinkage is real. Basically that's it. This section is still damp or still wet from yesterday because it's natural hair. It doesn't dry that fast, and I want to air dry it. I don't want to I don't have a diffuser anymore, and I don't want to use a blow dryer. So yeah, that's it. I'm only going to be putting in some rose water today because I don't need too much. I just had a bunch of oils and stuff in it from yesterday, and it's still damp up here. So yeah, that's basically it. I just leave it on my face. Smells good, it wakes me up, it moisturizes my face and my hair. So that's it. It just falls back into place. Okay guys, so this is day 2 on a Sunday after coming from, I went on the road, and I forgot this morning in order to show you, but it's the same thing. I'll be repeating myself all week. It's the same thing that I do every night and every morning. But this is me. This is how I wear my hair on the road sometimes. I don't do too much with it now because day 3. Let me show you how I catch my hair up for bed. Let me show you what I do for bed. Which is I really don't do anything. I just put it up and that's it. And that's it. I go to bed. So that's day 3. Hi guys. So this is what I look like when I wake up. Like I said, I don't sleep with a bonnet. I use a satin pillowcase, and yeah. So let me show you what I do in the mornings. And then I put some on the scalp. And that's about it. This is day 5. I am gonna run on the road. I already did my lashes. Like I said, I don't wear much. I wear a little lip gloss, simple NYX lip gloss. I might just wear it like this. Why is this one longer, guys? Oh Lord, why is this one longer? Why is this one longer? That annoys me. I want to wear it like this. A little bit better. Yeah, I think I like this. I'm not doing much on the road. This part is heat damage, and I think that's why. This one is coming back a little, but this one, I just want to cut it. I just want to cut it. It's annoying me, but oh god, much better. I'm gonna wear my hair just like this. I like it a little bit messy. Waiting that up in my face. If you haven't watched my wash day video, go ahead and do so now, and you can follow along, enjoy my videos. And if you're new here, don't leave without clicking that subscribe button, giving me a thumbs up, and let me know how much you like the video. Thank you.